So, Christina, break it down for everyone.
Yeah, definitely. And when we are referring to the ATS, this is that applicant tracking system. And this is used to first off help companies simplify the organization of candidates for the purpose of hiring and recruiting. When these employers are seeking talent, they're using these applicant tracking systems. It also allows businesses to collect that information, organize prospects based on their experience, their skill sets, and also it helps to filter those applicants who are applying to these types of jobs. In addition to this, the applicant tracking system screens and also sorts candidates' resumes while looking for certain keyword matches based on the job description. And it also uses algorithms to help with data analysis. In addition to this, the applicant tracking system helps to track those applicants who are applying to these jobs by integrating with certain job boards that you might see on LinkedIn, on the company website, in different types of those job posting websites. Okay, so there's different types of applicant tracking systems based on the company. Again, these aren't always going to be the same, but it's important to understand the background in terms of what the applicant tracking system does, how it keeps track of these applicants, and essentially how it's screening your resume.